Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Today I am going to be trying out I don't know what that was. That was a bingo wing there. Who else suffers from bingo wings? It's not just me. We all have them. We are going to be testing out the Sanfillipo, hopefully I'm saying that right, don't know if I am, but it is the Wing It Eyeliner. Basically, one end's a stamp, one end is an eyeliner pen, and it's meant to give you the perfect eyeliner, and it takes no time at all. If any of you out there watching are anything like me, it can take me a good 5 to 6 minutes. Now, that doesn't seem a long time, but if you actually think about that, 5 to 6 minutes to get my wings perfect. I mean, and they're never perfect. Sometimes it can take me even longer, and I end up just like wiping them off because I'm fed up of them looking squint. So, if this works, so we're going to be testing this out on camera. I'm going to be letting you guys know what I think, whether it is worth your money to buy it. Guys, I'm going to be giving 2 away, so isn't that brilliant? I'm so excited for this video. 2 of you guys are going to win one of these eyeliners as well. So I'm going to give you all the info on that at some point throughout the video, not sure when, but I think we should try it out first because that's probably why you have all clicked on the video. So thumbs up the video if you're excited, subscribe down below, and let us get our wing on. I want to first of all show you what the packaging looks like. It is very fancy looking. It's like matte black packaging with like a rose gold right in. Also gives you some little pictures, like a little diagram. It also gives you like the address and website and things. So it's very nice packaging. This is what the actual eyeliner looks like. Again, I think it's so nice. So it says here, I think it says, hopefully you can see this, it says stamp, and this side says eyeliner. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. It looks quite chubby at the start, like quite thick, but then it tapers into a nice thin point at the end. This is what the stamp looks like, so it looks just a nice thick triangle. Oh, I'm so excited to try it out. Just come in a little closer so you can see. I'm not even going to swatch it on my hand. I think I'm just going to go for it because I don't want to spoil the surprise of if it works or not. Right, oh, this feels so weird. Okay, right, here's my plan of action, guys. Bottom of the stamp, I'm lining that up with my lower lash line, putting it right on the corner and then aiming the tip of the triangle towards the end of my brow. Hopefully that made sense. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm doing it. It worked! My god! I got a little bit on my lower lash line, but it worked. Also, I did it with my eye open because I've got a hooded lid. So it probably wouldn't have worked if I closed my eye. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, let me wipe off this smudge. Oh my god, I just need to fill that tiny little line in there. I'm gonna come closer. See, I just need to God, I can't speak, I'm so excited. Calm down. I just need to fill in that little line there. Hopefully you can see that. And then we'll be good to go. That's a wing. That is a wing. That was also potentially far too close for comfort. Okay, next side. Just realised that I now have to match up these wings. Is it that easy though? Right, here goes nothing. So, bottom of the triangle is going to line up with the bottom of my lash line. And then the tip of the triangle is going towards the bottom of my eyebrow. That's how I'm doing it anyway. I'm going to do it with my eye open because I've got hooded lids, and if I did it with my eye closed then the triangle would be in the wrong place. It's just like when you do your eyeliner. If you've got hooded eyelids you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Here it goes. Oh my god. I'm in love! Look! Let me look in the viewfinder. Oh. Right, okay. I feel a little, I don't know, what do I feel? It's very easy to clean off too. Right, let's fill it in and see what's happening with the eyeliner part. So this is it here, it's a little bit chubby, but thinner on the end. And this is how I do my eyeliner. I usually just hold it what's this called, horizontal, and I just apply it in little bits. Oh, that little thin edge is perfect for getting right into the inner corner of your eye. It's a little bit dry, I must say, this part, a little bit dry. I wonder if that's because I'm holding it horizontal. Let me give it a shake. I feel like the actual tip itself is quite dry, but that part, like, oh, you're not going to be able to see this. So this part, the bigger part here is not as dry, but the tip itself is a little bit. So maybe it's just because I'm holding it like this and not straight up and down. Let me give it a shake. I think what I'm going to do is just fill in the rest of the actual eye with a normal eyeliner. This is the Soap & Glory Super Cat eyeliner. I'm just going to fill it in with that. So, basically that's us done. Like, if I wasn't talking to you and telling you how to do it, and if I did it a couple of more times, I'm pretty sure I could just go boom, boom, and get on. That was fast. That was fast. Final thoughts. I genuinely think that that is the easiest eyeliner I have ever used. Fair enough, I do not think that the actual eyeliner part was the best because, like I was saying, the tip is a little bit dry. But I, for one, know that I struggle on the actual wing because getting them the same shape is so difficult. Plus, I don't know if I've ever told you this, but I have like a double hooded eye on one of my eyes. So I've got like 2 creases instead of 1. That's probably really confusing, but like if you open your eye and close it, where that crease is, I've got 2 little creases at the edge of one of my eyes. So it's so hard to get the eyeliner looking the same. And I think they look pretty similar right now. I mean, I'm not going to say they're perfect because, like I say, I can never, ever, ever get my eyeliner perfect. But I think this is the most perfect I have ever got it, and it looks so good. I absolutely love it. Wow. I think it's worth it just for the stamp itself than the eyeliner. I would happily just use my Soap & Glory eyeliner just to go boom and then bang it right on there. Job's done. Bob's your auntie. Fanny's your uncle. Whatever that saying is. And that's you, out the door. I love it. I'm going to leave the link to this little bad boy in the description box, along with how much it is, or I'm going to actually put it on the screen right here in my hand. Let me just hold the price. If my editing skills are on point, here it is. This is the price. I know it wasn't the cheapest eyeliner, and I did have to pay shipping. However, I think it's worth it because it is a pretty darn good product. Also, I have a discount code as well. I actually reached out to the lady who makes these. Again, I'll put her name and all the details in the description box because I found them online and I thought, you know what, I'm going to reach out and get you guys some more information. I knew that perhaps you would like some more information, how to use it, etc. So yeah, I reached out to her and she was really kind enough to give me a discount code. Like, I bought this with my own money. She did not pay for me to buy, like, to have this. It was not sent for free. I paid for it with my own money. And she was so kind enough to send 2 extra ones for free. Those ones I did not pay for, and that is what I'm giving away to you guys. However, she did say that I could give you guys a discount code, which is amazing because you can get a little bit cheaper. And who doesn't love a little bargain and to save some money? So yeah, I'll leave the discount code on the screen now too. And again, information is in the description box. If you do buy the product with the discount code, it's kind of like an affiliate code, so I will earn a little bit of money through it. Totally understand if you don't want to do that. Like I say, I bought this with my own money expecting just to get a little bit of information, and the lady said that I would be able to get an affiliate link from it. Like, I didn't get told to leave a positive review, and as you've seen it work in itself, that was not edited, and I told you the truth about the eyeliner part as well. So yeah, if you don't want to use the affiliate code, that's totally fine. But if you do want to use it, then you'll save yourself a little bit of money and I'll make a little bit of money, which is really good for me too. So if you want to support the channel that way, then go right ahead. God, whenever I watch people talk about affiliates, I always feel like they ramble on, but I totally get why they do that because it is always a bit awkward talking about a code like that. But hey ho, it's there if you want to use it, don't use it if you don't want to. And now I'm going to be telling you how you can be in with a chance of winning one of these. Oh, how exciting! Oh, I've not even decided the giveaway rules. Right, we're deciding them here on the spot. Make sure you're subscribed. I can check who's subscribed to me, so you can't lie. If you're subscribed, you're subscribed. If you say you're subscribed and you're not subscribed, then you're not subscribed, guys. subscribe and stay subscribed until the competition is over, obviously. You can unsubscribe then if you want. Write a little comment down below, let me know that you've entered. If you want to enter, you can just say I've entered, or can I be entered, or something like that. And also why you should win. Yes, let's do that you want to enter and why you should win the product. And for extra entries, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. They'll all be listed down below in the description box, along with the date that the giveaway will end. I am probably going to be doing it for, let's just say, like 3 to 4 weeks, because it gives my subscribers enough time to realise that I've posted a video, click on it and enter, because I want, foremost, all my subscribers to enter. I mean, you guys are the people that get me to where I am. I mean, if I didn't have as many subscribers, then the lovely lady from Sanfillipo might have not wanted to send me to for free. I am really grateful for all you guys, so I give it enough time so all my subscribers can enter, and then all you new people that are watching too can have an opportunity to subscribe to the channel and follow my content, and yeah, and get a chance to win it as well. If I've rambled on, if you skip through this part, I'm really sorry. I'm super excited, guys, like this is revolutionary. So head down below in the description box and everything will be there. Thank you for watching, thank you for coming along in this experience with me. I have loved using this. I feel like this video is really short, but I'm sure I've rambled on enough to make it a good time. However, I'm going to see you on Sunday with another video. Be sure to thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you next time. Bye!